Hey guys, this is going to be a very basic video on how to go Ruby with our brand new awesome Ruby chart. Now we do have a very much more detailed charting 101 video, but this is just basics, how to go Ruby for a brand new rep who is ready to start bringing in that extra $300 to $500 a month. Most of us join for that amount of money, so getting to Ruby as quickly as possible is going to help make that happen for you. So you will notice on the Ruby chart, this is you, okay? That's your name right there. So 3 boxes. What's important to know is that these boxes, the names inside of those are going to be distributors, okay? I like to say the chart is going to be the skeleton of your business, and the meat, what fills these boxes is your customers. That's the volume that's going to make up what you need in order to go Ruby. So step 1 is going to be getting in those first 4 loyal customers, okay? That's your first step when you join this business, but as you start enrolling distributors, you've probably watched some other training now, you wanna get your spouse or mom, best friend, somebody as one of these top 3 people. If you are a customer sign-in machine, we are very often gonna suggest you sign that spouse as your first distributor so you can be making extra income on those same customers. But once you start signing distributors, they're gonna go in these boxes, okay? Their name. And then when they start signing their first 4 customers, that's what's going to get the required 400 BV in each of these boxes, okay? So in order to go Ruby, this is new because of our new comp plan and new charts, you need 3 at 400 in group volume, okay? And then overall, you've got to have a total of 2,000 in group volume. Now, so 400, 400, 400, that is 4, 8, 1,200. So that extra little bit can come from all of them combined, maybe all of it's extra in one. But how are you going to do that? So what makes up that volume? It's going to be loyal customers' orders. It's going to be that distributor's auto ship. Maybe that distributor makes an extra order for a party or an event they have coming up. All of those things, retail customers, all of that adds up to being the 400 in volume that is necessary. Now, you're going to make this happen quickly by working along with your distributors. Maybe you're doing in-person parties together, you're doing online events together, you are working with them as we do post-to-post and various things on social media, but you can get this Ruby chart done, you guys, in your first 30 days, 100%, because our old chart had 2 extra boxes on here, and many, many, many people have done that. And this way, it's simpler. You're gonna go all the way to the top with these 3 legs, okay? Now, I do wanna briefly mention this because maybe you sign up Susie and Susie decides that this isn't for her. She just kind of wanted to join and test the waters, but she's got some other life going on. She already got a couple customers. What you're gonna wanna do is put another distributor under Susie because everything below this leg rises up and is going to count towards that 400. We call that stacking, and you can get with your enroller for more on that, but we want 3 separate legs all at 400. You're gonna go Ruby, and the key to making the most money possible at the Ruby rank is you are the enroller for all these people, and then all the people under them, you want to be the enroller for most of them because you're gonna get that extra 5% bonus. And now remember, you've got to enroll these 3 people in order to fill your Ruby chart. And you want to be the one that does that because that's an extra $100 to $300 in fast start bonuses on top of your commissions. So what I like to say is no matter how much money you want to make in this business per month, let's say $400, forget the ranks. That means you need to personally enroll 4 distributors and help them get fast start qualified, which means they enroll their first 2 customers, and that's it. So let's get to Ruby because Ruby is the foundation, because after Ruby, we're gonna move up to the rank of Emerald, and then we're gonna move up to Diamond, but real quick, I'll show you what's ahead, okay? After you go Ruby, check this out. Here's you again. You're simply gonna help 2 of your 3 go Ruby. And then to go Diamond, you're gonna add 1 more Ruby. And all the way to Ambassador Diamond, the top rank, it's simply adding more rubies. So if you can understand rubies, it's you with 3 distributors under you, and 400 volume in all of these boxes, you are on your way to the top.